Consider all the leaves of a binary tree from left to right order. The values of those leaves form a leaf value sequence. For example, in the given tree above, the leaf value sequence is 6, 7, 4, 9, 8. The binary trees are considered leaf similar if their value sequence is the same. Um, so it's not necessarily that the trees are the same, but just the leaves, which makes me think that, well, we can't just traverse them at the same time, in my opinion. So why don't we just collect the leaf sequences? Um, we'll just have a helper function called collect leaves, and that's given a root. And to do that, we'll have an array. Um, we'll say if are they guaranteed to be? Okay, well, we're guaranteed to have at least one node, so we don't have to check right off the bat. I'm going to say if root 1 dot left, then return, again, return an integer array, list int, to be more specific. If root 1 is left, well, we're going to say, how about if root dot left and root dot right, we'll say return collect leaves on both of them. So we'll just add them together. If root left, so this means that it's not root right, return collect leaves on the left. If root right, then we do collect leaves on the right. And then if none of those are true, then we're just going to return the value itself. Okay, so this is kind of like check if it has children before you iterate through it. So hopefully, when you run this recursively, it should stitch together this array. And then since we do the left first, it will be in the right sequence, I think. Now I'll just say leaf sequence 1, leaf sequence, actually, Okay, yeah, we can just do. I just want to make sure we didn't have to do like dot equals or something for this Java. We'll just say return collect leaves on route 1 equals collect leaves on route 2. That'd be cool if that worked. Oh my gosh, did that actually work? No way. That's crazy. But let's look at what other people submitted. One line solution. Return. So we're running a lambda function on I don't get that. That's crazy to do that in one line. Congrats to you, man. Okay. Yeah, so this does the same thing, except it just appends the values instead of stitching them together. I kind of like mine, honestly. It's kind of clean. Um, because I don't know, it kind of breaks my mind to think about accumulating, um, like passing, like recursing with. I mean, I guess I should get used to that, but just recursing with one array that you accumulate values to just doesn't make sense in my mind. Um, but it's basically the same thing, in my understanding. You're just accumulating two arrays and then comparing them at the end. Cool. Awesome.